So day 2, making your mirror your friend. Today, you begin to practice basic mirror work exercises, learning to look closely at yourself and beyond your old beliefs. It is only the second day of mirror work, and you are just beginning to learn and adore yourself. Hang in there. Each day that you practice this new way of thinking about yourself and about life will help erase the old negative messages you have been carrying for so long. Soon you will be smiling more and finding it easier to look in the mirror. Soon the affirmations will start to feel true. Now, I would like you to take out a pocket mirror or go to your bathroom mirror. Just relax and breathe. Look at yourself in the mirror. Then, using your name, say, Name, I love you. I really, really love you. Let's say it again 2 more times. I love you. I really, really love you. I love you. I really, really love you. How does that feel? You can be honest and say that it feels strange or stupid because it does feel strange and stupid at first. Or maybe you find it hard to do. It's okay to feel this way. Loving yourself unconditionally is something you haven't done before. Let yourself feel these feelings. Whatever you're feeling, it's a beginning, a very good place to start. I know that telling yourself, I love you, is difficult for many of you. I also know that you can do it. And I am very proud of you for hanging in. Mirror work will get easier, I promise. Still, if you find it too hard to say, I love you, you can start with something a little easier. Maybe try, I am willing to learn to like you. I am learning to love you. When you look in your mirror, I'd like you to imagine that you are talking to a child in the kindergarten. Picture yourself as that young kindergartner. Now, using your name, tell this inner child, Name, I love you. I really, really love you. The more you practice your mirror work, the easier it will get. But remember that it is going to take time. That's why I'd like you to get into the habit of doing your mirror work frequently. Do it when you first get up in the morning. Carry a pocket mirror wherever you go so you can take it out often and say a loving affirmation to yourself. Let's affirm, I am beautiful, I am amazing, I am easy to love. Your day 2 mirror work exercise: stand in front of a bathroom mirror, look into your eyes. Using your name, say the affirmations. Name, I love you. I really, really love you. Take a few moments now to say it 2 or 3 more times. I really, really love you. Name. Keep repeating this affirmation over and over. I want you to be able to say it at least 100 times a day. Yes, that's right, 100 times a day. I know that seems like a lot, but honestly, 100 times a day is easy once you get into the swing of it. So each time you pass a mirror or see your reflection, just repeat this affirmations. Name, I love you. I really, really love you. When was the last time, or has there ever been any time when, we have gotten to appreciating ourselves in front of the mirror, you know, going to the mirror and saying I love you. Going to the mirror and say, you're amazing. You're beautiful. I'm beautiful. I'm amazing. We don't do that. That's the kind of talk we generally have in our minds, never explicitly out of words. उसमें words नहीं होते, words जो होते हैं वो mind में ही रह जाते हैं. We do, everybody does a lot of self-talk, but then that remains in the mind. It does not take that spell which needs to be casted. So when you are in front of the mirror and saying, I love you, I really, really love you, then you mean it. Then you're, casting that spell through your words as well. It's very effective. I mean, see, nowadays it's different. But earlier, people had a very different notion about this whole three word sentence, I love you. I mean, it was used only between two opposite sexes for different purposes. And और कोई था ही नहीं. ये तो अभी with the change of the newer consciousness coming after 2000, that it has got. I don't even remember when I said to my father, mother, I love you. Before that, now I say it. I don't remember when they said it to me, but now they also sometimes, make those gestures. But with my kids, it's different. I tell them I love you all the time. And I will be doing those gestures of love and adoring them because things have changed. It was not there when we grew up. Could be different from others, but I'm talking per se from my perspective only. Because when I grew up, these kind of things were not there, but they are very effective. If they are effective with your kids, imagine what it can do when you're working with your own self. आप अपने बच्चे को या किसी फैमिली मेंबर को जाके हग करते हो और बोलते हो आई लव यू एंड यू शो दैट अफेक्शन, दैट गाय, him or her will feel very nice and you will feel very nice. So imagine you are hugging yourself and saying to yourself, I love you. I really, really love you. Imagine the impact that is going to have. Initially, yes, will look very funny, will look very silly, will look very weird. You will laugh a lot. पता नहीं मैं क्या करी जा रहा हूँ यार, पागल तो नहीं हो गया मैं? But yeah, once you are in there, in that moment, and you are meaning it deep down from your heart, if it's coming, you will love that feeling. When you find it difficult to tell yourself, I love you, it is most likely because you are judging yourself. Repeating those old negative messages don't add to your discomfort by judging yourself or making judgments. Just relax and commit to saying the affirmations. Remember, you are committing to an affirmation that's true. The truth is, we do love ourselves when we are not judging ourselves. It's a good idea to have a tissue at hand when you're doing mirror work because this work can be very evocative. Often it brings up emotions from the deep. The fact is, we may have been very kind to ourselves. So when we start to love ourselves again, we become aware of the unloving attitudes we've been carrying for a long time. And that causes a certain amount of grief. But the grief is being released. So let yourself feel what you feel, accept those feelings, don't judge them. Mirror work is all about self-love and self-acceptance. होता क्या है हमारे साथ? Generally, whenever an event happens and it is an unacceptable event, on the other terms, it is a negative event, which creates a negative impact on you. So I use the word unacceptable. For positive, it's acceptable. Negative is unacceptable. So if an unacceptable event happens, it creates a trauma in the body. Now, if this thought of that trauma does not leave your body, it is going to stick or get associated with any body part, and then that is where the dis-ease starts. So it's very important to cleanse yourself. Cleansing yourself here means completing the trauma cycle. If the trauma comes inside your body, it has to go out of your body. So once the trauma leaves from your body, that is where you call the cycle of trauma being complete. Because अगर हमने वो trauma cycle complete नहीं किया, it is going to be in your body, और वो memory layers के नीचे भी दब जाएगा if it is suppressed to a limit, and it will create a situation of disease wherever it is stored. So it is very important to complete the trauma circle. Trauma circle completion can happen with catharsis. आपको रोना आता है, you know, you just want to blurt it out, like last time we were talking about these exercises, you know, just randomly blurting out words. It's nothing but taking it out of your system. Anything that enters your system and it is unacceptable. For example, if you have an unacceptable guest in your house, till the time you do not take him out of your house, you will not be comfortable. आप उसको धक्के मार के निकालो, प्यार से निकालो, पुलिस बुलाओ, जो मर्जी करो, but till the time that unacceptable guest is there in your house, you will not be at ease. That's the same with trauma. If that trauma is inside your body and you let it stay, because and you are it's not acceptable to you, but you still let it stay, you will suffer. You will be not at ease, and that is the start of a condition called dis-ease. तो उसको निकालने के लिए ट्रॉमा साइकिल कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा आपको. सो इसमें अगर हम जब मिरर वर्क एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे हैं, सो दोस ट्रॉमास आर गोइंग टू कम अप, जो स्टोर्ड हमने सप्रेस करके रिप्रेस किया हुआ है. 40-year-old प्रोग्रामिंग और 35-year-old प्रोग्राम जो हमने अंदर सिस्टम में डाली हुई है इतनी ज्यादा, वो धीरे 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 बाहर आएगी. It will be in the form of crying. It will be in the form of excessive energy. Let it all go. It has to. The intention of any of this exercise, especially this, is to get that suppressed trauma out of the body. अगर हमने उस trauma को अपनी body से बाहर निकाल दिया, because it was not acceptable to the body, you will be at ease with what is. बट हम लोग उसको सप्रेस कर देते हैं. सो इट्स ओके. हंसी आ रही है, गुस्सा आ रहा है, दीज आर ऑल इमोशंस. लेट देम बी. जस्ट डोंट जज योरसेल्फ. जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो. जजमेंट और क्रिटिसिज्म हमारे डीएनए में डाल दिया गया है एज अ वेलकम गिफ्ट ऑन द स्कूल ऑफ अर्थ. उसको हमें छोड़ना है. We need to be in the business. This is because this is as it is. Bas, nothing more. Anything you add to it is nothing but your own judgment, your own comments, and your own criticism. उसमें नहीं जाना. Emotion आया, accept the emotion. ना आ गया, आना था. इसीलिए तो इतनी बड़ी emotions की list बनी है. इसलिए बनी है to live them. It's okay. Remember, I shared this song. It's okay not to be okay also at times. So what? I've encouraged you to practice your mirror work first thing in the morning. Sometimes that's the hardest time of the day to do it because we feel that we don't look our best in the morning. But that is just a judgment. And what we are doing in mirror work is looking into the mirror without judgment so we can see who we really are. The power is within you. Your day 2 journaling exercise. Life is very simple. What we give out, we get back. In your journal, write down your responses to the following questions. What do you want that you are not getting? When you were growing up, what were the rules about deserving? Did you always have to earn in order to deserve? Were things taken away from you when you did something wrong? Do you feel that you deserve to live, to have joy? If not, why not? As you answer these questions, notice the emotions you are feeling. Write them down in your journal. Your heart thought for day 2, I am deserving. Sometimes we refuse to put any effort into creating a good life of ourselves because we believe that we don't deserve it. The belief that we don't deserve it may come from our early childhood experiences. We might be buying into someone else's concept or opinion that has nothing to do with your own reality. Deserving has nothing to do with being good. It is our unwillingness to receive the good in life that gets in the way. I repeat, deserving has nothing to do with being good. It is our unwillingness to receive the good in life that gets in the way. Allow yourself to accept the good, whether you think you deserve it or not. हमारे साथ क्या होता है, throughout our upbringing, there have been so many beliefs that have been given to us as gifts by our parents, our uncles, elders of the family, and they are not really yours. Okay. I don't know if people remember, I shared a video in the group because there is a belief which was there, probably with nearly a lot of people I know had. बचपन में अगर हम कुछ मांगते थे ना कि हमें ये चाहिए, अच्छा पैसे पेड़ पे उगते हैं, and that video had money being grown on trees and plants. So I mean, इतना हमने अपने आप को लिमिट कर लिया ना विद दीज लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स कि हम उसको अपनी रियलिटी बना चुके हैं, whereas वो हमारे ऊपर डाली गई थी. जो भी हमारा बिलीफ है, हमारी जो जिसे कहते हैं ना, वो एक्सेप्टेंस के बीच में जो वॉल खड़ी हो जाती है ना, वो हमारी बिलीफ की वॉल खड़ी हो जाती है. I mean, I remember I did this workshop on LOA and money. So we had to write what are our, beliefs about money. So money does not grow on tears was a common belief. There were many of them. And how you work with each and every belief and you destroy that limiting belief. I remember we did a first magic book. We did a limiting belief meditation exercise where we, made fun of that belief and we ridiculed it, and then we just got it out of the system. So ये सब हमारे ऊपर डाली गई है और हमारे पास उस टाइम पे इतनी कॉग्निशन हमारा डेवलप नहीं था, ब्रेन इतना डेवलप नहीं था कि हमने उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. और वो मेमोरी लेयर पे मेमोरी लेयर, लेयर ओवर लेयर हमारी आज की रियलिटी बन गई. So that's nothing but a gift from others, reinforced by our memories and our experiences. And now we feel that is our reality. So always challenge if you have any kind of a belief. I mean, we can, next time we have this meditation after this book, we'll have that limiting belief exercise because that is something which is very, very effective. We can't have limiting beliefs all our life. वो हमें रोक के रखते हैं. Rather than empowering us, they are disempowering us. So जहां पे भी आपको लग रहा है किस एरिया में, whether it's your health, whether it's your relationship, whether it's your money, whether it's your career, you are having certain things, सबसे पहले अपने बिलीफ लिखो क्या है, एक एक को पकड़ो. उसको देखो, why, ये किसने दिया था मेरे को ये belief? Remember I shared this last time, because I had this belief that if you don't value time, time will not value you. Okay, and I have been with that belief since I don't know since when. But जब मेरे दिमाग में क्लैरिटी आई कि यार ये तो मेरा बिलीफ है, मैं इसी के अगेंस्ट लोगों को जज कर रहा हूँ. आई एम जजिंग माई वाइफ बिकॉज शी इज नॉट रेडी ऑन टाइम. And when this guy gave me a concept of time, saying, what is time? Just break it. Tie me. You're tying yourself with time. Break free. I was like, मतलब literally उस एक सेंटेंस ने मेरे उस बिलीफ की धज्जियां उड़ाई थी. अब मुझे पता भी नहीं लगा. ये तो बाद में जब मैंने उसकी रियलाइजेशन की, सिमिलर इवेंट हैपेंड, सो टू बिलीफ्स निकले. एक, इफ यू डोंट वैल्यू टाइम, टाइम विल नॉट वैल्यू मी. साथ में इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग आ गया, टाइम ये है, व्हाई एम आई टाइम मी माई सेल्फ. सो दैट गिव मी मोर क्लैरिटी. सो दैट्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट. इतने हमने बचपन से हमारे ऊपर बिलीफ पे बिलीफ गिफ्ट्स में दिए गए ना, थोप में, कि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते. So just whatever area you are having in.
So, Arjun, one question. So, one, I was thinking of an exercise where we can all list down our list of beliefs, right? And
whatever
then
area
I
you
wanted,
are having an issue,
yeah.
just write down your beliefs. उसको
So, for
देखो,
example, what
उसको
I
देखो.
wanted to understand was that what's the difference between belief and value? Certain things like, as a child, you believe that you should respect other person's time. ठीक है, you might be late. What about the other person who's waiting for you? So the value of other person's time, or the fact that one should not waste food. Like I remember my father used to say कि प्लेट में एक राइस का दाना नहीं रहना चाहिए, बड़ी मेहनत से आता है. You should not waste food. Lot of children don't have food, so be thankful. So few things that that we have remembered as the kids. And so what is the difference then between a value which adds value to your your personality, your being a human, being a person, and the belief?
They are nearly the
How
same.
would you differentiate between a value and a belief?
See, belief is certain things which you have not seen yourself. You believe it is true. It's a belief. It's not reality. Like, for example, if I ask you, is the earth round or is the earth flat? You believe it is round, but reality में हमें तो सीधा सीधा ही दिखता है ना. So reality says earth is flat, but the belief says the earth is round. Now what is value? Value भी आपको जहां से भी आ रहा है ना, it is part of their belief. The resultant of a belief comes to a value. If you value food, food will value you. Concept आप समझ रहे हो? It is coming from a belief. See, what is valuable is we are now currently working on ourselves. So आपको ना इस बिलीफ और वैल्यू में या मॉरल एथिक्स में नहीं जाना अभी. Let's keep that aside. Now, at the end of the day, there is a small quick test. If anything that makes you lighter, that's okay. If anything that makes you heavier, there is an issue, resolve it. It's creating value for others. ये है, इसमें अभी बिल्कुल न फंसो. They are there, let it be there. For 21 days, keep that on hold. Because once you get to breaking your beliefs in your different areas of life, because जो भी वैल्यू क्रिएट हो रही है ना, वो उन बिलीफ्स के साथ लिंक्ड है. हम बिलीफ को उड़ाएंगे, उसके साथ जो वैल्यू है ना, वो डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट में आ जाएगी. So I don't, you were there in that limiting belief ना, so you were talking about that. So whatever area you want to work on, उसमें अपने limiting beliefs लिखो 5-10, and there were 3 or 4 ways of that how to reduce eliminate your limiting beliefs. Start working on those beliefs. We'll
Yeah,
try
but
to
one
organize
thing,
that.
okay. One thing is that I mean, I just don't as a person only. I mean, try not to. I mean, it's at least at times when I'm conscious, I try not to judge somebody for their belief because I believe it's their belief system. But it affects me when I get judged on my belief system. Ki my belief, since my birth to now is this. So why am I being judged for that? You know that this is how I am, or this is how it's supposed to happen. Then why being judged for that? It's okay. I don't judge the way the other person's belief system goes. So one thing is that if I mean it may not work, but I feel that if you have a belief system, it's okay. But it's okay not to like judge others for their belief systems. I mean, they can have their own reasons. They can be at their
Everybody will
level of
have their
evolution.
everybody will have their own. हम belief system को खत्म नहीं कर रहे, belief तो चाहिए, हम
Hmm.
limiting beliefs को खत्म कर रहे हैं. So जिस area में where we are having some issues, like it could be your health, money, career, relationships, उस एक issue को लो, उस issue को लेके आपके क्या beliefs है, then you will be able to identify उन beliefs में limiting belief क्या है. belief नहीं खत्म करने हमें,
Limiting belief.
limiting वाले खत्म करने,
Hmm.
which
Okay.
are
Now I
stopping
get it.
us.
More
Like
clarity. Okay.
limiting belief, money does not grow on trees. पैसा इतनी जल्दी से नहीं
Right.
मिलता. I mean, hello, if it's possible, it's possible.
Okay. So so if I mean if everybody could do that, if everybody could come up with limiting beliefs about different aspects like relationships, parenting, then it will help us to like for me, for example, to identify my limiting beliefs.
Yeah, that's the whole exercise I did. Na? That's how I know. Because we were four of us, and all four of us, we were only working, it was specific and specific about money and finances. तो हमने 20 या 22 लिमिटिंग बिलीफ मनी के ही बनाए थे और फिर
You're
उस पे
talking
वर्क
about the
करके
workshop that you did,
that's a
LOA on
workshop
money.
I did. Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
workshop. But yeah, on a general notion, if you want to work on it,
Yeah. I mean, I
make
think like,
yourself
parenting,
limiting beliefs.
relationships,
We'll do a session on limiting beliefs
okay.
after this book. One of those Sundays, so we'll do this
Okay.
limiting belief exercise. तब आप अपने note करके रख लो, and then that half an hour will help you eliminate those limiting beliefs.
Done.
I'll just read through the meditation first, and then we'll do the actual meditation. Your day 2 meditation, a circle of love. Day 2 of the audio download. See yourself standing in a very safe space. Release your burdens and pain and fear. Release old negative patterns and addictions. See them falling away from you. Then see yourself standing in your safe place with your arms wide open, saying, I am open and receptive. Willing to declare for yourself what you want, not what you don't want. See yourself whole and healthy and at peace. See yourself filled with love. And in this space, feel your connection with other people in the world. Let the love in you go from heart to heart. And as your love goes out, know that it comes back to you multiplied. Send comforting thoughts to everyone and know that these comforting thoughts are returning to you. On this planet, we can be in a circle of hate or we can be in a circle of love and healing. I choose to be in a circle of love. I realize that we all want the same things, to be peaceful and safe and to express ourselves creatively in ways that are fulfilling. See the world becoming an incredible circle of love, and so it is.